Hi and welcome to the Banneton basket product series. Today I'm going to show you the range of products we have and how to use them. So what is a Banneton basket? Originally a Banneton basket is made of cane, and that's where you proof your bread dough. It significantly improves your bread quality and gives you a professional artisan look. The stratum cane that this bowl is made from absorbs a part of your dough moisture and helps you to create a crispier crust. Also, it leaves a spiral pattern on your bread, which just looks amazing. So here we have some Banneton baskets, 10 and 9-inch round ones and an oval one as well. Each of the Banneton baskets come with a removable linen cloth and a dough scraper. The linen cloth is particularly useful when dealing with wet and sticky bread dough. The 10-inch Banneton basket can fit up to 2 pounds or 1 kilogram of dough, while the 9-inch one, or the oval one, can fit around 1.5 pounds or 750 grams. So now let's talk about how to prepare your Banneton basket. It is a crucial step and it might take you a few bakes until you master it. So what we try to achieve here is to create a permanent flour layer, which ensures us that the dough does not stick to the bowl. We do it just like that, and we make sure that all of the gaps and openings are filled with the flour as well. You can also use some water and sprinkle it before applying the flour, just to make sure the flour sticks to the bowl perfectly. And don't be afraid to put more flour than you think it needs, especially on the first bakes. And once you're done, you can pop your dough in and leave it for proofing.